But how?
It's huge!
It's taking the crystal. Everything's losing color.
We have to stop it!
It's too strong. We have to find another way. We can't just stand here. We can't let it get... Oh, at this!
Can't let it get away with this!
We're going after it, together.
This place, it's like a painting come alive.
It's fading. We have to save it.
Watch your step, Oinky. I'm bouncing. Keep up. Look, they're pointing the way.
Let's follow them carefully.
Look at these paintings. It's telling its story.
We can use this to figure out how to stop it.
This is it. We have to be careful.
Stay close, Bao. We've got this.
It doesn't seem mean, just confused.
But look at the size of it. Let's be careful.
It's scared. It thinks we're attacking.
Then we need to be careful and fast.
Watch out, Oinky!
I've got this. Careful, Oinky. Careful, Oinky. Watch the debris. I'm bouncing. Keep up.
Take that!
It's stronger than we thought. Stay ready.
Keep moving, Oinky.
I'm bouncing all over.
Thanks, Oinky. That was close.
I've got you, always. This will hold us for now.
Amazing, Bao. Keep it up.
Woohoo!
I've got this.
I'm right behind you.
See those lights? That's the key. Got it. I'll be ready. No fighting, just floating. Easy. Everyone's safe. We stay together. Always. Always. Whoa! Everything's spinning. Stay with me. This place is falling apart.
We keep moving.
I've got it.
I believe you. He looks scared.
Yeah, and hurt.
That crystal, it's stuck inside him.
That's why he's hurting.
He's hurting. He's not attacking. He's trapped. Easy. We're here to help. You're safe now.
It's okay. We won't hurt you.
Together. Ready.
It's working. Hi there.
Looks good.
We did it!
We did it! So, we're friends now?
It's going home.
Color lives again.
Best day ever.
Ready for the next one? Ready for the next one?